the recording is post production. So, any newcomers in the class today? I think Krishna, you are joined today. Krishna, am I audible? Krishna, can you hear me? Is everyone can view my screen? Am I audible?
Yeah, yes, I know you are.
The next class, the next topic. In the last class, we discussed about 1 minute, please. మీరు డిన్నర్ ఎలాగంటే మీరు ఎక్కడ చేసాడా ఓకే ఓకే సరే మీరు ఎక్కడ అవును నేను 9 ఫోన్ చేస్తాను. So in the last class, we were discussed about three important players in IT industry, right? Correct or not?
Yeah.
The first one, product-based companies. Second one, service-based companies. Third one, clients. Product-based companies are those companies, they develop their own software products. Using these products, service-based companies developing software applications as per the requirement of the clients. And clients are using software applications in their business. So this is the relation between all the three people, okay? After that, we will discuss about what are the advantages of using software applications. How many advantages we discussed? 3 major advantages. It saves your time, it provides the security, and also we can achieve what? Scalability. These are the 3 major advantages of using software applications. And also we will discuss about what are the difficulties of using software applications. What are the difficulties? Both, clients and development companies or service-based companies, both are same. Development companies, they need to keep on upgrading the software. They need to keep on installing the software, and also they need to keep on maintain the software. Okay, and leads to what? Increase the setup cost. So these are the 3 major problems as far as client's point of view is concerned and development company's point of view is concerned. They need to keep on upgrading the software, installing the software, maintaining the software. It increases the setup cost. That is a traditional systems, I can say. So because of the cost, only top level companies are using software applications, but not small companies. So to avoid this problem, okay, to decrease the setup cost, to make small companies also use software applications in their business, vendor companies come up with a new concept name is called cloud computing. Okay. So Yesterday, we discussed about up to this extent, yes or no? We discussed about the three important persons in IT industry and the relation between all the three people. And also we were discussing about the advantages and the difficulties. So advantages and difficulties, I hope all of you understand. And,
Yes, sir.
and all these difficulties we can overcome by using a concept name is called cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Today I'm going to start the session. Till yesterday we discussed about up to this. Yes or no? And now I'm going to today's session, day 2. Okay. What is cloud computing here? Cloud computing means it is a concept or it is a technology. Here, whatever applications we need, whatever services we need, whatever IT services we need, I can say, whatever IT services we need, everything will provide by vendor company. As a user, we just need only internet connection or internet service. We can access all these services, IT services. Just try to understand the meaning of the cloud computing, everyone. Cloud computing is a concept. Here, whatever IT services we need, all services given by vendor company. As a user, we just need only internet connection and access those services. Okay. Whatever IT services we need, every service provided by vendor company. If you want to access those services, we just need, as a user, we just need only internet service or internet connection. If we have internet facility over the internet, over the cloud, we can access all the services. For your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. Okay. Every day, I want to check my mails and also I want to take printout. Every day I want to check my mails and also I want to take the printout. If I want to check the mails, if I want to take the printout, what I have to do first of all, I need to buy one laptop and also I need to buy one printer and also I need to take some internet connection from ISP, internet service provider, right? And also I need to buy some white papers to take the printout. Okay. So I need to buy all these things. Approximately laptop cost near about 50,000. Printer cost approximately, 10,000. Internet charges every month near about 1,000 to 1,500. And white papers approximately 500 per month. So near about, 50 to 60,000 rupees I need to spend. Yes or no? Instead of spending 50,000 rupees unnecessarily, simply I am going to internet center near my home. In that internet center or browsing center, I can check my mails. And also I can take the printout there. Yes or no? Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me,
Yes, sir.
in the internet center, who provided all these services? Who given the systems? Who given the printer facility? Who given the internet service? Who given the white papers to take the printout? Who provided all these services? Internet center owner. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So internet center owner provided all these services. The way how internet center owner provided all these services, in the same way, here also in cloud computing also, vendor company provided what? All IT services. Whatever IT services we need, every service provided by vendor company. If you want to access these services, The only thing what we require is internet service. If we have internet facility, internet connection, we can access all the services which are provided by vendor company. And whatever services we are using, how much service we are using, for those services only we need to pay. We don't need to pay anything extra. Understand? That is why this can be called as pay-per-use model. What is the model name here?
Pay-per-use.
Pay-per-use means whatever services we are using, for those services only we have to pay. We don't need to pay anything extra. Suppose I'm going to the internet center. I'm checking my mails. I can take the printout. It takes around 50 minutes time, suppose. I have to pay near about 50 rupees. Suppose if I'm using 1 hour internet in the internet center, maybe I have to pay 40 rupees. If I'm using maybe 3 hours, I have to pay 100 rupees. Yes or no? Suppose next time I'm using only 10 minutes, I have to pay only 5 rupees, right? Like that, how much time I'm using, for that time only have to pay. I don't need to pay anything extra. Same way here also, whatever services they provided and whatever services I am using or we are using, for those services only we have to pay. You don't need to pay anything extra. That is why this model can be called as what? Pay-per-use model. I hope you understand this example. In
Yes,
this
I understand.
okay, all these services provided by vendor company. So all these services provided by owner of the internet center. The way how internet center owner provided all these services, in the same way, the vendor company also provided all IT services. So that if you want to access these services, the only thing what we require is internet connection. That is enough to access all the services. Whatever services we are using and how much service we are using, for those services only we need to pay. Okay, that is why it can be called as what? Pay-per-use model. All of you understand what I am speaking here? Yes, sir?
Yes, I understand.
So because of cloud computing, both, clients and development companies, they no need to upgrade the software. They no need to install the software. They no need to maintain the software. Software upgradation, software installation, software maintenance, everything will be taken care of by vendor company. Do you understand what I am speaking here? It is not the burden of clients and development companies. Everything will be taken care of by vendor companies. My point is clear, all of you. All services
Yes, sir.
vendor company. Whatever services we are using, for those services only we have to pay. You no need to pay anything extra. That is why, because of cloud computing, both clients and development companies are released from the burden of upgrading the software, installing the software, and maintaining the software. So upgradation, installation, maintenance, everything will be taken care of by vendor company only. This is the meaning of cloud computing. All of you understand what I am speaking here? Everyone in the class? Azinkya, Anand, Krishna, Purushottam, everyone in the
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
all of you. Thank you all. Thank you. Now someone got it out. Maybe Shiv got it out here. What is Shiv out is, sir, I understand the meaning of cloud computing. What I understood is all services given by vendor company over the internet. If you want to access those services as a user, I just need only internet service. Through internet, I can access all the services. Very good. I understand this point. But my question is, what kind of services vendor company provides? That is my question. You keep on saying that vendor company providing services. What kind of services vendor company provides? Vendor company provides basically 3 types of services. How many types of services? Come on.
3 types. 3 types.
Services company provides. The first type of service can be called as IaaS. Second type of service can be called as PaaS. Third service can be called as what? SaaS. IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service. PaaS stands for Platform as a Service. SaaS stands for Software as a Service. Software as a Service can also be called as it stands for what? Application as a Service. Application as a Service, Software as a Service, both are same. Okay. So these are the three different services provided by vendor company. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, or application as a service. Okay, for your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. You people know about Gmail company, so Google company, yes or no? Google is a vendor company or not? This Google company developed the application. What is the application here? Gmail.
Gmail.
So Google company developed the application Gmail. Through this mail, through this application, we can send and receive the emails. Correct or not? So I can say Google is a vendor company. They provided Gmail application as a service to all of us. I can say this kind of service can be called as what? Software as a service or application as a service. Am I clear this example? Everyone in the class? The
Yes.
way how Google company, the way how Google company provided Gmail application as a service to all of us. Through this application, we can send and receive the emails. I can say this is the best example for application as a service. Google company provided Gmail application as a service to all of us. That kind of service we can call it as what? Software as a service or application as a service. Understand the point here? Tell me, Gmail server is maintaining by Google company, Gmail application developed by Google company, Gmail application automatically upgraded by Google company, Gmail application installed by Google company, everything will be taken care of by Google company only. As a user, if you want to access this particular application, which application? Gmail application, what I need? I just need only what? Internet connection. If I have internet connection, if I have internet service, if I have internet facility, I can access what? Gmail application. Yes or no, all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good. And coming to the next important thing, platform as a service. What is the meaning of platform as a service here? What is the meaning of a platform as a service? Listen this point very carefully and try to understand what I'm speaking here, guys. Platform as a service means, as I said yesterday, I remember, as a developer, if you want to develop any application, you need minimum 3 things. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yesterday,
sir. Yes.
does anyone remember? As a developer, if you want to develop any application, what is the first one?
Programming language,
Very good. Programming language. Second,
database,
very good. Third one. What is the third one?
okay, operating system.
Operating system. So without operating system, without database, without programming language, it is not possible to develop the application for any developer, right? Good. If any vendor company provides programming language, database, and operating system as a service, the complete platform as a service, on this platform, developers can develop the application. That kind of service, I can call it as what? Platform as a service. Platform as a service means if any vendor company provides programming language, database, operating system as a service to all of us, that kind of service we can call it as what? Platform as a service. Salesforce is a vendor company that everybody knows. Yesterday I told you. Salesforce is a vendor company. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. The short name of Salesforce company is SFDC. SFDC stands for Salesforce.com. This company's CEO is Mark Benioff. This is the point yesterday I told you. I hope all of you remember. So Salesforce is a vendor company. This company provided the programming language. Using this language, we can develop the application. The programming language name is called Apex. Is anyone here this programming language name? At least name I'm talking.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Apex is a programming language just like C language, Java, C, C++. Understand all of you? So
Yes.
Apex language is a proprietary language of Salesforce company. Apex language is a proprietary language of Salesforce company. Just like yesterday I told you, SAP company proprietary language name is called ABAP, ABAP, remember? Same way, here also, Salesforce company proprietary language name is called Apex. Using this language, we can develop the, business application. You can develop the business application. Understand all of you? Database. What is database here? So database, they do not disclose the database name officially, but I think they are using Oracle database as a backend, but officially they do not announce. Officially, they don't announce, okay, which kind of database they are using backend. And operating system also, they do not disclose. I think operating system is Windows operating system only. Understand all of you? Okay, but nobody knows what kind of operating system they are using. So, Salesforce company, okay, given their own programming language, given their own database, given their own operating system for the developers, on which developers can develop the application as per the client's requirement. The platform which is given by Salesforce is called force.com. What is the platform name? Force.com. That was the old name actually. In fact, the new name can be called as Lightning Platform. What is this? Lightning Platform. Force.com is the old name. Lightning Platform is a new name. So platform which is given by Salesforce is called force.com, on which developers can download the application. On force.com platform, if you want to download the application, we can download the application very quickly, very fast, very quickly we can download the application. Okay, that is why it can be called as, RAD. Is anyone know what is RAD stands for? RAD stands for Rapid Application Development. What is this? Come on, guys. What is this? Rapid Application Development. What is rapid? Rapid means fast application development. We can develop the application very quickly. Okay. Okay, very fast. We can develop the application. Understand the point here? Right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose at this particular point of time, I need to tell one important thing here. Is anyone know enterprise application?
Yeah.
Actually, enterprise application contains 3 different applications, guys. Do you know what are those? The first application is called business application. Second application is called CRM application.
HCM application.
Application can be called as integration application. So total, how many applications here? 3 applications. 3 applications. Business application, CRM application, integration application. All these 3 applications can be called as, come on,
Enterprise application.
enterprise application. Business application handles business activity, whereas CRM application handles customer relation. But what is integration application? Is anyone knows? Business application handles business activities. CRM application handles customer relation. But what is integration application? What
It's
is
an
It may
it's an
integrate
interaction between both.
both. Yeah, might be
interaction between?
business
Both
applications and
the
CRM
business and
applications.
CRM.
Yeah. Integration application means communication between the, what is this? Heterogeneous applications. Point clear? What is this? Communication between the heterogeneous applications. Communication between the heterogeneous applications means, let me give a small example. Suppose I want to go to a movie. Generally, we people are using Book My Show application to book the ticket, right? Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Let me open Book My Show application. I'm living in Hyderabad, not in Delhi. So here we can see all the list of cities, popular cities in India. I want to see the movie in Hyderabad. Martin Devara, something is there here. Okay. This is Alia Bhatt movie, I hope so. Jigra. Okay. I want to go to this movie. Book tickets. Hindi. Click on tickets. I want to see this movie in AAA cinemas. Night 10:30. Selected seats. One. Okay. Accept. Okay. Add value combo. Click on proceed. Here I have to enter my number. Net banking. HDFC. Make payment. Till this extent, I'm in Book My Show application. And this Book My Show application connect me to HDFC Bank net banking payment gateway. Yes or no? Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Speak up.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
here,
sir.
Book My Show application connect me to where? HDFC Bank
HDFC Bank.
payment gateway. Yes or no? Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
See, Book My application, let us assume, developed on PHP technology. HDFC Bank application, maybe they are using Java technology. Both are completely different applications, both are completely different technologies. Though both are completely different applications, and these two applications are communicate with each other, they can exchange the information between them and to make the transaction successful. Yes or no? Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
How can we say these two applications are communicate with each other? How these two applications are communicate with each other? Between these two applications, there is another application plays an important role. What is application name here? Integration application. This integration application connected these two applications and make them communicate and also exchange the information between these two and finally make sure the transaction completed successfully. This is the role of what? Integration application. All of you understand? Excuse me.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So business application, CRM application, integration application. Combination of all the three applications, we can call it as what? Enterprise application. Am I clear this point? If you want to develop enterprise application using Java technology, I can say minimum 5 years time to complete. Minimum to minimum. Even .NET also, it takes minimum 5 years time. But the same kind of application if you want to develop on force.com, means on Salesforce, I can say, I can complete within maximum 10 months time. Where is 5 years and where is 10 months? No comparison at all, right? Come on, guys. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why it takes so much less time to develop the application? What could be the reason? Why Salesforce
Maybe,
takes very less time to
sir,
develop the application and compare it
maybe,
with other technologies? The major reason is Salesforce point of view, coding part is very less. Understand all of you? Hello. Coding part is very less. 60% of only coding. Rest of the 40%, without coding, we can develop the application. 40% of application we can develop through GUI. What is GUI? Graphical user interface. Just drag and drop, point and click. Understand? Can you hear me? Hello?
yes, sir.
So 60% coding and 40% is what? GUI. But Java.NET, I can say 90% part coding. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But whereas Salesforce coding part is very less. Is anyone know about Java here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So do you know Jdbc connectivity?
Yes, sir.
You know how to write the software queries, SQL queries and all? Database connectivity and all? Okay. I'll show you an example here. You can really surprise. You can really surprise here. Suppose PB1. Tell me, this is the user interface or not? Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Application level point of view, this is the user interface where end user can sit and, perform the operations, right? Employee name, employee salary, department number, job. Suppose, let me enter Shiv. Salary 90870. Analyst. Not analyst, department number 20. And job is what? Maybe developer. Just click on what button here? Save. Is record get saved or not? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Employee name is Shiv.
Yes.
Salary so-and-so, job so-and-so, department number 20. This record gets saved permanent in the table, database table. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, how many lines code are written here? Increase the font size. 28 lines code. Yes or no? Look at the last line.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes.
Within just 28 lines of code, I can achieve this functionality, right?
Yeah.
Hello. If you want to enter the record through user interface in Java language or .NET language, .NET technology, we need to add, we need to, we need to include so many, packages, so many files, and also we need to give the database connectivity Jdbc. We need to write a DML command, insert command. Near about minimum to minimum 300 to 400 lines code we need to write, yes or no, to get this functionality.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So instead of writing 400 lines of code, I can just achieve the same functionality within the how many lines code here? 28 lines code. Am I clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So where is 28 lines code and where is 400 lines code? Coding part is very less or not? Come
Yes,
on.
it is.
Yes.
So that is the beauty of what Salesforce. That is the reason we can develop the application very quickly. That is why it can be called as what? RAD. RAD stands for Rapid Application Development. So finally, what I'm trying to tell is, ultimately, Salesforce given the strongest platform for the developers. On that platform, developers can develop the application very quickly. The platform name is called what? Post.com, and also can be called as Lightning Platform. So if any vendor company provides all these three as a service, that kind of service can be called as platform as a service. Okay. And coming to infrastructure. What is infrastructure? Infrastructure is completely related to hardware. Infrastructure means hardware. If any vendor company provided hardware as a service, what is this? Hardware as a
Hardware as a service.
that kind of service, we can call it as what? Infrastructure as a service. Again, for your understanding, you people know about Google company. Google company given Google Drive. Yes or no? Come on, speak out.
Yeah.
Google company,
Yes, sir.
Google Drive. What is Google Drive? Is it a memory space or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Memory space they given
15 GB.
15 GB per every, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
User. Is it free or paid? We need to pay or it is free?
Free.
It is free.
Here, the Google company is a vendor company, provided their memory space as a free service to all of us. That kind of service you can call it as what? That kind of service you can call it as infrastructure as a service. Am I clear this point, all of you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So infrastructure service means providing hardware as a service can be called as infrastructure. Programming language, database, operating system can be called as platform as a service. Providing application directly as a service, that can be called as a software as a service or application as a service. I hope you understand. All,
Yes, understood.
yes or no, all of you?
Yes, understood.
Yes.
So today, I just discussed about only types of services. Vendor company provides three types of services: infrastructure, platform, and what is the next one here? Software as a service.
Software as a service.
So regarding all the three services, if anyone have any doubts, you can ask the questions, please. Reshma, Rohit, Shiv, Vineet, Anand,
Sir,
Azinkya, Purushottam.
Sir, with the help of Salesforce, can we make mobile applications also?
Everything we can develop except two applications, Anand Mishra. Except two applications, we can develop all kinds of applications, including mobile applications also. What are those two applications? Are scientific applications and gaming applications. So these two applications are not possible. Except these two, rest of all the applications you can develop. Understand, Anand?
Sir, sir, I mean, then why companies are not following Salesforce only and coding, and so much cost is there?
Why
Is
companies
there
are
any-
not?
I mean, every company should then follow Salesforce then, because it's very nice, less cost.
It is a compulsion that every company should follow Salesforce, should migrate to Salesforce. Suppose I have the company, okay, last 15, 20 years, I'm using SAP only. Let us assume like this. Why I need to sudden all of a sudden I need to change from SAP to Salesforce unnecessarily? Because last 20 years I'm using the same application. What is the point of changing again unnecessarily? That kind of companies, nobody changes, or no?
Okay, sir.
Don't expect like this. Every company should use what? Salesforce. That is wrong. Because my company using say SAP, your company last 20 years, your company using Java technology. You're
Mhm.
uploading Java technology. You're using the same application.
Yeah,
That's
sudden change will
point of-
bring hazardous consequences.
Sorry, come again.
So sudden change can bring many hazardous consequences.
If you feel as a company, as a owner of the company, if you feel day by day, costing is more, maintenance cost is more, then that is your decision making. How can I tell? Yes or no?
Mhm. Yes, sir.
Point clear. Suppose last maybe 10 years let us assume a general example I'm talking. Last 10 years, I'm in 3-bedroom flat, 3 BHK flat. Let us assume like this. Understand all of you? One family, last 10 years, they are living in 3 BHK flat. Okay. In this 3 BHK flat, okay, kids, okay, parents, and also normal couples. Yes or no? Couples 1 bedroom, kids 1 bedroom, parents 1 bedroom. Okay, unfortunately, parents are demised. Understand? Come on. Kids are grown up. Okay. They got the jobs. They went to some other places. Only couples are there, wife and husband. For wife and husband, what is the point of living in 3 BHK bedroom unnecessarily? Yes or no? Come on, guys. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes.
Then they will take the decision. Then they will take that is up to you. That is your decision making. There is no compulsion that every company should convert it into what Salesforce side, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's all up their decision making only. But these are the advantages of migrating to Salesforce. I just telling the advantages. That's it. What are the advantages? If you go other technologies, it takes more time to develop the application. If you want to go for Salesforce, okay, project maintenance cost is less, project development cost is less. Yes or no? You don't
Yes,
need
Yes, sir.
software. You don't need to buy any database. You don't need to buy any memory space. Yes or no? Everything given by whom
Yes.
here?
vendor
Salesforce.
companies and
That's the advantage. Am I clear, all of you?
Yeah, so
Yes.
like
Yeah.
if suppose like one XYZ company, so still like, he wants to migrate to a Salesforce company.
Then
So still it is possible for him. Like he has to pay more than whatever he has like invested for his company developing the application and all. So migrating is easy or what?
very
If it is
we can easily migrate one technology to Salesforce.
सोडा क्या हो रहा है स्प्राइट तो क्या हो रहा
Someone speaking around you. Asinkia, please mute. There is no problem. We can easily migrate from one technology to what? Salesforce. No issues at all. Understand?
okay?
Yes, yes, sir.
It's already 8:50 almost. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
We'll
Yeah,
take
sure.
it.
Yeah,
We can
sure, sure.
tomorrow. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Same time. Sorry.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. Have a nice day.
You too, sir. Bye-bye.
Same time.